Good afternoon, everybody. This is Cameron. Guys, I've been sitting right here by the window with Freedom, and I heard this weird noise outside. And we were watching the ducks on and off, and all of a sudden, I'm filming through the blinds. I got these, horizontal blinds on the French doors. But, oh, Freedom's doing his droppings because he's out loose. Two of these male ducks just came in here, like, for a 3-second inspection. We haven't had any ducks start any new nest in a couple months. Isn't that crazy? Woo! All right, Freedom, we're signing off. Okay, I'm lifting I'm trying to hold the blinds with one hand. All right, there's your fountain out there. Have a great day.